Hello everyone, Zane with you, and today I'll show you how to change and install location for Adobe apps. First, you should go and open Adobe Creative Cloud like so. Then you want to go and click on your profile picture after signing into your account. Click on your profile picture, then go and click on Preferences. Then go and select Apps from this menu right here. After selecting Apps, go and click on this change location or this pencil icon. Then you want to choose the drive that you want to save the folders or apps to. So I'm going to select this folder. Then I'm going to click on done. And now when I go and install this application, for example, I'm going to install Adobe Photoshop and check if I will have the apps installed to my D or E drive or F drive, whatever I have, and get to you back after I finish this process. So now when I get back and open the F partition that I saved the application to, when I go and open it, then click on Adobe right here. Here you can see that it's installing the Adobe Photoshop on the F partition instead of the C partition. And that's what I exactly wanted. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching and goodbye.